Yes. So good morning, students. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all are well at your place. Yes. So okay, students. Now, can anyone have any idea that what we have done in previous class? Yes. Any idea? Okay. So class in previous class we had started a chapter which is body movement. Yes, which is body movement. So now here is some question in front of you. You see carefully and then you tell me the answer. So a skeleton of human body is made up of bones, cartilage, both bones and cartilage. None of these. Yes, so the answer is bones. Yes, skeleton is made up of what? Bones. Okay. So now here is another question in front of you. Read the carefully sentences and choose the correct one. Okay, so first option is backbone provides main support to the body. Backbone attached shoulder, bones, ribs and hips bone. Backbone protects the spinal cord and all of the above. Yes. Yes, very good students. So the what is the answer? So the answer is all of the above. Yes, so in previous class we had started a chapter which is body movement. Yes, in that chapter we see what which about the skeleton, how our skeleton is made up of, what are the things which is uh, from which the skeleton is made. Yes, we had done with this. Okay, student. So now let's start with today's chapter. Yes. So now body movement. Yes. So yes, students. Types of joint. In previous class, we have told you that there is a two type of joint. In first one is movable joint and second one is what? Immovable joint. Yes. Movable joint is what? Which is movable, which is easy to move. Yes. And immovable means joint means what? Which is fixed joint, which cannot move. Yes. So in movable joint there is a hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint and ball and circuit joint. Okay, and in immovable joint there is a fixed joint is there. Okay, so student, now you observe this image carefully and tell me that what you see. Yes, what you think, what is this? Okay, yes student, what you see, what is this, what they saw this? Yes. Okay, one person with their bag. Yes, we can say that. Okay, so okay student, now see here. First is what? Pivot joint. Yes, pivot joint किसको बोल रहे हैं? आप देख सकते हैं नेक रीजन के जो हमारा शोल्डर हो गया. यस, फिर वहां से जब हमारा जो गर्दन का एरिया स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो वहां से हम क्या करते हैं, अपने गर्दन को हिला पा रहे हैं इजिली. यस. यस स्टूडेंट. So now see here, pivot joints allow for rotation. Yes, pivot joint क्या है? ये जो joint है वो rotation को क्या करता है? Allow करता है, rotation करने में help करता है, which can be external. Yes, for example when rotating an arm outward, like हम जो हमारा हाथ है वो हम outward की तरफ हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मूव कर पा रहे हैं. Yes, तो ये किसके थ्रू हो पा रहा है? Pivot joints के through. Okay, or a internal as in rotating an arm inward. So when rotating the forearm, these movements are typically called pronation and supination. Yes, that is called what? That is called typically pronation and supination. Okay, so this joint enable us to move our head up, down, right and left and our present in our neck. Yes, जो pivot joint है, wait student, yes, so जो pivot joint होता है ना, वो क्या करते हैं, वो हेल्प करता है हमारे जो हेड होता है ना, हम हेड को किस तरह से हिलाते हैं, हेड ऊपर करते हैं, नीचे करते हैं, राइट करते हैं, तो ये किसके हेल्प से हो पाता है, pivot joint के हेल्प से. ओके, so this joint where our neck joint, the head is pivot joint. Okay, it allow to bend our head towards and backwards and turn the head to our right or left. Okay student, and you also try this movement. Yes, how are this movement different from those our arm and cannot rotate complete circle. Yes, yes student, it's ball and socket joint. So in pivot joint, cylindrical bone rotate in a ring. Yes, pivot joint is in this area. See, in this area pivot joint is present. Okay, जो कि हमें सर्कुलर जॉइंट मतलब सर्कुलर मूवमेंट करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. ओके, so now see this one. See, here is the example. This one is the pivot joint which is present in our neck region. Yes, like हम अपने गर्दन को अच्छे से घुमा पाते हैं ना सर्कुलर मोशन में, like this, like this, like this. Yes, so I think you understand what I try to say. Yes students, so now, yes, now see in this picture and tell me what you observe. Yes, what you see, what you think, what is this, which type of joint, like here is mentioned also. So now you tell me what you think. Yes, yes, so this is again, so this one is the hinge joint. So our next one is hinge joint. Okay, so the hinge joint is a bone joint in which the articular surface are molded to each other in such a manner as to permit motion only in one plane. Yes, and example of ginglymus are the interphalangeal joints and the joint between the humerus and ulna. So the knee joints and ankle joint are less typical. Okay, and as they allow us slight degree of rotation or of side to side movement in certain position of the limb. Yes student, so now clear what is hinge joint. See in this x-ray also I put it here a image that what is hinge joint. See, हमारे हाथ में जो होता है एंड जो पैर में आप देखते होंगे जो जॉइंट होता है जिसके थ्रू से हम क्या करते हैं अपने हैंड को मूव कर पाते हैं इजिली. यस, तो बीच में जिसको हम कोहनी भी कह सकते हैं. यस, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लाइक हम हिंदी में भी बोलते हैं, तो दैट इज द हिंज जॉइंट. Okay, that is called what? Hinge joint. So knee joints are hinge joints, ball and socket joints, pivotal joints and fixed joints. So now student, you give me the answer. Yes, so very good student. Hinge joint, yes, knee में और हमारे नी में जो होता है वो कौन सा ज्वाइंट होता है, वो हिंज ज्वाइंट होता है. हमारे घुटने में जो ज्वाइंट होता है ना, जहाँ पे जिसको हम घुटने के हम लोग इजिली बेंड कर पाते हैं, जो हाथ का हमारा जो साइड होता है तो हम इजिली बहुत क्या करते हैं बेंड कर पाते हैं, तो वो किसके हेल्प से कर पाते हैं, वहां पर कौन सा ज्वाइंट क्या बोलते हैं, हिंज ज्वाइंट. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो नाउ क्लियर व्हाट इज द आंसर. ओके, सो now you observe this picture carefully and then you tell me what you see in this picture. What you think? What this picture depicts you? Yes. Okay. So now see here our third topic is what? Ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket joint. Yes. So now see carefully in this image. First you tell me that what you see in this x-ray. What is this? Yes. See in this area. Yes. See this area. What you think? What is this? This area and this area. Which type of this joint is? Yes. Yes, students. Yes. So, okay. So, the ball and socket joint or spheroidal joint is a joint in which the ball-shaped surface of one rounded bone fits into the cup-like and depression of another bone. Yes. तो यहाँ पर जो आप देखते होंगे जहाँ से हमारा जो शोल्डर होता है, हम अपने बाही जिसको बोलते हैं, यस आर्म, ये कंधे के पास जो होता है, तो उसको इजिली हम क्या करते हैं, एक बार रोटेट कर पाते हैं ना, तो उस जो है ना वहाँ पे राउंड शेप बोन का क्या होता है, कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पर मेंशन होता है. ओके, cup like structure is present here. So this which the ball shaped surface of one rounded bone fit into this cup like. Okay, and it is help to move round, it is help to help us to round our hands easily. So these are found in the hip. Yes, see hip is this region, hip area. So where the rounded head of the femur ball rests in the cup like acutable actabulum socket of the pelvis and in the glenohumeral joint, okay, of the shoulder. So where the rounded head of the humerus rests in the cup like glenoid fossa socket of the shoulder blade. So the student, so this there is a cup like structure is present in our where, our shoulder, like our hip area, there is a ball and socket joint is present. Okay, so now which joint is this? Yes, now see carefully and tell me which joint is this. See, I already discussed this also. Cup like structure is present where? Ball and socket joint, shoulder side. Yes, shoulder side. Okay, so now recapitulation time. So that today we have studied about the various type of joint like forward joint, like hinge joint, and the ball and socket joint. Yes. So students, now you tell me that knee joints are which type of joint is present in knee? Yes. So the hinge joints are the present here. So identify this image and tell me which type of joint is this. Yes. So the ball and socket joint is this. Yes. Okay, students, so now here is the homework in front of you. Draw the diagram of all the joints which we have studied today. So this is your homework. Do your homework carefully and thank you, students. We will meet you again in next class.